Hey there, awesome people. Welcome back to How to YouTube channel, your go-to spot for all things tech, tips, and a whole lot of fun. If you're new here, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. And if you don't, well, I'll just be here, silently judging you. Alright, so today we're diving into a question that might just have you scratching your head. Can you create a Google account without a phone number? Spoiler alert, the answer is going to surprise you. Or maybe not, but it's definitely something you need to know. Let's get straight to it.
Okay, let's go.
We're going to walk through the process of creating a Google account. First, you head over to Google Chrome and then accounts.google.com. You fill in your name, choose a snazzy email address according to you, or you can select email addresses which are already recommending by the Google and set a super secure password. Now here comes the interesting part. When you get to the phone number section, you might be tempted to skip it. Who wants to give away their phone number, right? I mean, what if Google starts calling you at 3 a.m. just to say hi?
What?
Unfortunately, folks, the truth is, Google's a bit clingy. They need that phone number. Why? Well, they say it's for security, to keep your account safe, recover passwords, and make sure you're not a robot.
Are you sure about that?
But let's be real. Sometimes it feels like they just want to stay in touch. So, as you can see, trying to skip the phone number step just isn't gonna fly. Google will keep nudging you until you give in. So yes, you absolutely need a phone number to create a Google account. Mystery solved. I hope this clears things up and saves you from spending hours searching for loopholes that just don't exist. And remember, folks, always keep your phone close because Google wants to be your bestie. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, or at least mildly entertaining, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. Or else my cat will give you the silent treatment, and then trust me, you don't want that.
Okay.
See you in the next video, techies. Stay awesome.
Goodbye to the people who loved me. Goodbye to the people who trusted me. Goodbye to everybody.